How to combine videos on TikTok. To get started, I'll go ahead and open up the TikTok application. As you can see, we're now in the TikTok homepage. Here you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll here. Now go to the video section as shown. Then tap on Select Multiple at the bottom. Select the videos you want from here, and then tap on Next at the bottom. You can now edit the videos as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Once you're done, tap on Next at the bottom. Here you can add a caption and also manage other settings before posting. Tap on Edit Cover if you want to change the cover. Here you can choose the cover for this TikTok video. After that, tap on Save at the top right corner. Once you're done, tap on Post at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily combine videos on TikTok.